Today I'm going to talk about mob justice. Here in Uganda, there's a lot of mob justice, how people are treated, how people are beaten up, the innocent ones and the guilty ones, without listening to them.
Celebrating Uganda.
Nachajwe jangu mkwano nachajwe webase
Omaijo nakomye wallet. Mugenda kuwa
ngenda mtauni
ba
nenjaga nsigalizeko mwana wange ono
Ronnie ajja kuba bulungi jangu
Ronnie sigala one auntie wemba nkusanga kale kangende
onyumya mukwano
bwe ntera okuba nno
owaye
kale bye.
Okay.
Webale kunkumira ku mwana wa Anai nacheje chichi nacheje chichi obaddechi omwana nabaddechi omwana wange
Abadazanya nesibagaza mukuza
wange gwe nakulekedde nacheje nakulekedde omwana wange ng'akwesiga wano
alabika yagenze kuzanya nesimulaba
sendawe yimukazo mbuli omwana wange kyali omwana wange aliwa bannange oba ali eno mu nnyumba oyinza okwata wakebedde bulungi yalini nze bannange nakyejwe n'omwana wange aliwa bannange
abadde wano ng'azanya nange
wawe bannange omwana nakulekedde omwana wange ano nga nkwesiga naye
omwana simanje yagenze
nawezepa omwana wange wawewe
kolekana tumonye mpolampola
omwana wange nange kali nomuleeta wonimba bulimbi.
For example, there was a situation. A kid was, the kid got just disappeared, and the whole village thought there's a family that has, sacrificed that boy. After burning up the family and all the people in that family, the boy came back. Now, my dear viewers, my last word or advice to you is don't beat up someone or condemn him to death before listening to him. You might be punishing an innocent soul. Take him to the courts of law or to the LCs and hear him out. First hear his case and then leave the law to take its action. I think you've got my advice, and we should reduce mob justice in our country. Thank you so much for listening.
Join us on www.celebrateuganda.com and celebrate the power of Africa with us.